What's this all about again? Well, Brian, as you know, the Maple Leafs are trying to reach out to a younger audience. We've been working on a few concepts, and we think this one is really going to be a big hit with the preteen crowd. Fine. Let me see it. Got a game in the evening, gotta play well, gotta get 2 points, gotta have a win, gotta stay in the race, playing everyone, the schedule is going, ticking on, everybody's winning, gotta name a starting goaltender, gotta get a save, I see my goalies, old guy in the front seat, head case in the back seat, gotta name my starter, which guy can I take? It's Reimer, gotta be starting Reimer. If I ever start to gear again, then I should be fired. Reimer, gotta be down with Reimer. Everybody's looking forward to the next game. Need someone who can stop. If we don't find one, we're James. Looking forward to the playoffs. Period, commissary with a giveaway. Our defenseman can't skate backwards. Save, gotta get a save. Defense aren't sure what that is. Big glove save, big kick save. His blocker's on his right. Yeah. Bring away save, one-timer save. Now we're winning. Bozak on the first line. Lefta on the blue line. We're gonna need a miracle. Can't we get a break? It's Reimer. Gotta be starting Reimer. Can't believe I didn't start him in Florida because he was hired. Reimer. Gotta be down with Reimer. Everybody's looking forward to the next game. Hey, Toscala, the big boss. Bolton and Raycroft, they suck. James. Looking forward to the World Championship. Early 90s was Grant Fuhr. Mid-90s was Felix. We were so excited. Actually made the playoffs. After Felix came Cujo and Belfort came afterwards. That's when the good goaltending ends.
Statue, Optimus Rhyme.
So chillin' in the ACC. In the goal crease. He's thriving, winning.
Yeah.
Big saves, making saves. Just don't shoot plus side. Passing by Jaguar and Monster in front of me. Another bad goal, big loss on the screen. Forgot it's Reimer, it's a win streak. We gonna make a run. Come on, y'all. Reimer, gotta be starting Reimer. First decent goalie we've had since Brian Burke was hired. Reimer, gotta be down with Reimer. Everybody's looking forward to next season. Shoot on him and you get robbed. This kid probably just saved my job. James. Looking forward to 2012. Well, I want to eat my own ears. Yeah, that was pretty bad. How in the hell did they talk you into doing that? Actually, to be honest, I didn't even know they were filming me.